In the early hours, devastating landslides struck Wayanad in Kerala, claiming at least 73 lives. The death toll is expected to rise as the situation unfolds. Meanwhile, around 400 families are stranded due to a bridge collapse in Chooral Mala town. Many people were reportedly injured and several houses were washed away. The extent of the damage is unknown due to the power shutdown in the entire region. The landslides were reported at Meppadi, Mundakkai and Chooral Mala hills. Ruined homes, overflowing rivers, and shattered branches from uprooted trees are scattered throughout the hilly villages of Wayanad. The landslides occur in the early hours, catching residents off guard while they slept. Emergency services, including the Indian Army, National Disaster Response Force, police, and fire force, are immediately disposed to the rescue survivors. Affected villages include Mundakkai, Chooral Mala, Attamala, and Nulpura, which have been cut off by the landslides. The Indian Army has joined rescue operations, actively searching for the hundreds feared trapped, though the exact numbers remain unconfirmed. First landslide was reported at 1 a.m. at Mundakkai. The next landslide occurred at Chooral Mala at 4 a.m. while the rescue operations were underway. A school functioning as a camp, a house, and a school bus were all reportedly flooded and were filled with mud and water. District Collector Meghashri Dr. reported that the death toll includes 36 individuals from Chooral Mala and 9 bodies swept away by the Chaliyar River recovered it at Malappuram. The deceased have been transported to various hospital morgues for identification and autopsy. As reported by The Hindu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced ex gratia of 2 lakh for the next of kin of the deceased in the landslides that hit Kerala's Wayanad. In response to the calamity, the Kerala government has mobilized a large-scale rescue operation. 2 teams from the Kannur Defence Security Corps have been deployed for rescue operations with 2 Air Force helicopters flying from Salar. The situation remains dire, with most houses in Mundakkai washed away and the areas of Attamala and Chooral Mala left in dilapidated state. Although the rescue mission is on, as per the received information, the rain is hampering the operation. 10 dead people have been identified so far. Ramlat, Ashraf, Kunhi Moitin, Lenin, Vijesh, Shumesh, Salam, Shreya, Pramalila and Regina were identified. The dead bodies are kept in 5 places: Meppadi Health Center, VIMS, Vaithiri Taluk Hospital, Nilambur Hospital and Malappuram Chunkantara Hospital. The reported numbers are based on information available at the time of recording the video and may change as the story develops.